Spring clean a kitchen in one day. Spring cleaning is a once-a-year activity that aims to organize and thoroughly clean a house. The kitchen is commonly one of the most difficult and time-consuming areas to spring clean. Depending on how messy or how big a kitchen is, cleaning this could take more than a day. The key to successfully spring cleaning the kitchen is to be systematic about it, and to know of the simplest but most effective techniques to accomplish the task in the minimum time and the least effort possible. Delegate the necessary tasks. If possible, ask everyone to concentrate spring cleaning to one area of the house at a time. Schedule the date for kitchen cleaning and delegate tasks for everyone. The most effective way to delegate is to pinpoint the specific skills of people at home and matching them with corresponding responsibilities. You might also want to factor in their personal interests. For example, is your daughter okay with organizing the contents of the kitchen pantry, but she hates to sweep the kitchen floor? Then try your best to work around this. Start early. Start cleaning the kitchen right after eating breakfast. If you start early, you'll finish early. Prepare for your spring cleaning the day before. Take out all the necessary tools and materials you will use for spring cleaning the kitchen. This will include mops, brooms, buckets, and garbage bags. You might also want to prepare for the next day's meals, so you wouldn't have to use the kitchen for cooking on the day of the spring cleaning. Throw away, give away, or keep. The key here is to be ruthless about the entire process. Here's a quick guideline: throw away everything broken and hopelessly dirty, or those that are past their expiration date. Give away things that you haven't used for more than a year but which are still in good condition. Keep only those items that you use and which you use at the very least once in every 6 months. Remove everything. It will be easier and faster to wash, disinfect, scrub, and dry the entire kitchen when everything is out. Keep these things in a big box, or you might want to sort them first by following the tip above. You may also delegate the sorting job to someone else while other members are cleaning the kitchen. You might also want to clear out the items from one area of the kitchen at a time, to make this task more manageable. Plan well. Only you will know how your own kitchen can be cleaned effectively in the shortest possible time. So, as early as possible, plan what you will do during your kitchen spring cleaning. Try to visualize how you want your kitchen to look like in the end, and all your efforts should be focused towards just that. Put these tips to good use. Once you've done a good job, you'll see that having a well-organized and clean kitchen is a great reward. Your next goal is to keep it that way. Read up on great strategies to maintain your kitchen in good form. Good luck.